90s? All right, today I'm checking out Soul Coughing. I'm listening to St. Louise is Listening. Let's get into it.
Became insistent. But I rubbed it out along the spot where it were missing. She's widely known, the only mackerel that pays her taxes. I got to box her for the money, set him on end. St. Louise is listening. You don't use words like that. St. Louise is listening. You rang the Eskimo to meet you at the station. Oh, he's like milk to you, half Swedish and half Asian. Then your aphasia strikes a bargain with the body arty. I got to box you for the money, set him on end. Reeling and stumbling, I got to bump around a while. You don't use words like that. St. Louise is listening. You don't use words like that. St. Louise is listening. Let me get up on it. Let me get up.
This song, you know what I've been doing mostly when I listen to this song? I hope there's an about section at the bottom. Oh, there's a micro one. I might as well read it right now because I am confused. But mostly listening to this song, I was like, dang, do his vocals not have kind of an Oasis feel to it? And then it's like, not all the time, right? And so then when he'll switch vocal sounds a little bit, I'll be like, no, I'm tweaking. I'm tripping at it. That's not Oasis. Then he'll go back and that definitely is like, no, it's got a slight Oasis feel. I get Liam and Noel mixed up because I had them crossed for years until you guys straightened me out. I think Noel, right? This would be it. Because we have Liam on the wheel. Which one is the better looking one? I had always thought it was Liam was the better looking one, right? But then I think you guys told me it was the opposite and Noel. Either way, I think he got the vocal side that reminds me of the better looking of the Oasis brothers, right? That's what it does. It reminds me of at certain times in the song. This about section is so small, I'm reading it right now. The title, St. Louise, is silent film actress Louise Brooks. The lyrics are full of obscure references to her in her films. Okay, I don't feel so bad about having no clue what's going on in this song. Zero clue. I'm thinking St. Louise, is he Catholic? Maybe he's Catholic and there's a St. Louise in the Catholicism or something. When I say zero clue, I mean like not the slightest clue. But that's good to know. It's silent film references. I'm never going to pick up on those. So anyway, back to my vocal analysis. I'm getting back into it.
Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. Let me get up on it. I could be your baby doll. I could be your doll, baby. I could be the thing you want. I could do it all for you. I is listening. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it. Let me get up on it, let me get up on it.
Sounds horny. He said, let me get up on it. Like, dang, that dude sound like he's letting his thoughts get the best of him. Now, this ending, this let me get up on it stuff, that reminds me of the beginning, when I thought this song was about him having perverted thoughts about a Catholic saint or something. That's what I thought he was having. And so he's like, we don't think like that about Saint Louise. She's a saint. You're not supposed to be jerking off to a saint. That's what I thought he was doing. I'll tell you why I thought that. It was the very beginning, right? I stopped the thought before its drip became insistent. So he's having thoughts and he's like stopping his thoughts. I had to stop it before he's, describing his thoughts as the drip. A drip will keep dripping like a leaky faucet. Before that drip becomes insistent, he stopped the thought. I rubbed it out and loved the spot where it went missing. Rubbed it out, when guys rub one off, or I had to rub one out, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking that he rubbed it out and loved the spot where it went missing. Wait, what did he do? Then what did he do when he rubbed it out? He rubbed the thought out, but that could be a double entendre. How did he rub the thought out? By rubbing one out, is what I'm thinking. She's widely known, the only marquis that pays her taxes, and then okay, she's famous or something, I guess. But then I just got confused after that. I didn't have any clue what was going on. But by the end of the song, he's saying, let me get up on it. He sounds like a horn dog. He don't have the same vocals he had in the beginning, right? The vocals in the beginning were way different than that. He's horn dogging it at the end of the song, so that makes me think maybe I was right in the beginning of the song. Maybe he was having perverted thoughts. 1998, I was curious. Just curious on the year of the song. I want to go back to the beginning for the vocals. I was curious about the year, because he's referencing silent films. You guys were watching silent films in the 90s? Or is he just like an old school film buff?
I stopped the thought before that strip became insistent.
This reminds me of Oasis, like this vocal style here.
If I rubbed it out along the spot where it were missing.
So maybe that vocal style was popular in the 90s, maybe something like that. This was interesting, guys. I still think he's I think I'm on to him. I think he's just got the hots for St. Louise. And we'll leave it at that. I've said enough, haven't I?
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.